好，我们来看一下这一道题 ，electric car。首先，大家把视频暂停一下，用大概30秒到40秒的时间，把整段话呢先通读一遍。Alright， 我们来看一下第一部分。First year university students have designed， 看 first 这个 t 要注意 ，designed ed 要注意，不要读成 designed 的 ，OK？designed 小小的拖音 ，and 这个 d 注意 ，built 这个 t 不要读成了 built，OK？built a groundbreaking 这个 d 做出口型没有这个音 ，groundbreaking 不要读成 groundbreaking 是错的。Groundbreaking electric car， 这个 K 我没有读成 electric car，electric car 口型给它音给后面这个 car，that 这个 T 注意不是 that，OK？That recharges itself 不是 itself 是 itself， 所以我红色 highlight 这几个单词的这个结尾部分呢，大家要格外注意一下。我们连起来读一下，你们听我是怎么读的。First year university students have designed and built a groundbreaking electric car that recharges itself. 没有停顿，对不对？理论上呢，我们是可以不停顿的。如果停顿的话呢，我们要在哪里？我们找一处。First year university students have designed and built a groundbreaking electric car that 这个理论上在 that 前面可以有个小小的停顿，但是后面就1、2、3就3个单词，我们一口气读完。OK， 好，我们来看第二部分。50 students from the 不要读 from the 不要分得太开 from the University of 所以这一块呢千万不要停顿 from the University of from the University of Sydney's Faculty of Engineering okay 50 students from the University of Sydney's Faculty of Engineering 这里停 Engineering 有个 tiny pause 然后呢 spent 这个 t 注意Spent 5 months working together bits of plywood 有个逗号，所以这个 d 要发清楚。Foam 不要读成了 form F-O-R-M 这个单词呢念 form 这里念 foam and fiberglass to build the mango 不是 mango OK mango concept car 我们连起来读一下 50 students from the University of Sydney's Faculty of Engineering spent 5 months working together bits of plywood, foam, and fiberglass to build the mango concept car 这里呢可以用声调并列关系 plywood, foam, and fiberglass 好第三部分我们来看一下 They developed 注意不要读成了 they developed okay they developed the specifications 多音节词 specifications 重音在这里 and hand built 不是 hand built okay and hand built the car 非常快这个 t hand built the car it's a pretty radical design 注意这个 n design a four-wheel drive with a motor in each wheel最后一句比较简单，是不是？好，我们把这三部分呢连在一起读一下。First, university students have designed and built a groundbreaking electric car that recharges itself. 50 students from the University of Sydney's Faculty of Engineering spent 5 months working together bits of plywood, foam, and fiberglass to build the mango concept car. They developed the specifications and hand-built the car. It's a pretty radical design. A four-wheel drive with a motor in each wheel. All right, thank you guys.